already know. Suicide, death row, riding slow-mo in the photo with no hoes, kicking it toe-to-toe with the po-po. All of the smoke that I blow become a no-show. Hiding up the snow lip, I got your whole froze in the snow globe. Leave them hollering, no more. So when I pull up, when I glow up, don't show up, you know what? Don't throw the motherfuckers hit. 5'9" on the great place, the best slit wrist, same color as a Venom. Cigarette smoke, get the Old Testament. I'm more reckless than the almighty heavens. And yeah, we never fucking met again. Snake skin belt, cutting off my blood flow. Checking motherfuckers' evidence. Jacket full of bullets, check me motherfucking Letterman.
Take your time, that's why it's suicide to the fucking afterlife. Keeping the fucking knife right next to the seat. Making you wanna die when you move close to me. Nosebleed for the dope fiend sleeping next to me. Hopefully I'ma just be in a bad dream, but it seems that the codeine turned me into a dope fiend. Now I'm riding in a nightmare as my mind screams for that more money, more murder, more junkies, more serving, more running, no turning, no swerve on the ice cold road. Young scarecrow be looking like death row. Blood color bathrobe with a nice cold hole, you know. 59 great killers looking for a fucking homicide.
Gang. Oh, shot. RPT. Cheat with me, get in with me, rowdy with me. So started on gang. All of these bitches be switched. Like what? And they be for the whole gang. They still fuck ops on all of them posse nights, still doing the whole thing. All of these bitches be smoochies. And they beef for the whole gang, and it's still fucking upset. All of them pop T-Max still giving the whole thing. And it's sad how they doing vids and talking they shit like they really do shit. Pick up a gun and go use it. Y'all really gon' make gang lose it. Like all of these bitches be smoochies. And they beef for the whole gang, and it's still fucking upset. All of them pop T-Max still giving the whole thing. And it's sad how they doing vids and talking they shit like they really do shit. Pick up a gun and go use it. Y'all really gon' make gang lose it. Like we just gon' spend till we know shit. It's fuck all the ops, I told us stay cautious. Lonnie gon' hop out and toss him. We still smoking you weed, Migos got me off it. We don't got time for the nonsense. Like we don't got gang, and it's time for the wrap up. Like we been bugging, please don't try to act up. And they talk on rude, like what the job do? We put no on the fat blunt. Y'all niggas ain't clap none. Like we put no on the fat blunt. Like they got a dead soul. He don't care where you at, don't care who you with. You opt the land, not trade. Go smoke a top Benji while looking for jail. 2 eyes right there, I saw we won't miss them. Still got the post, so we shipped them. RPT is not to be mentioned, and I go for your op-ass bitches. So we just gon' book us a tally. Drew got beat, got smoked in the deli. I'm still towing my gun and my Subies, kinda my top. You know it's a movie. We got bitches whole gang full of moody. Flocka at onesies while we in a toozy. That's the op, we gon' hop out and bless him. One in the head, 2 shots to his liver. And she wanna kick off the liquor, like. But I told no pictures, and she called me that nigga, like. But it only get bigger, like. All of these bitches be smoochies. And they beef for the whole gang. And it's still fucking opposite. All of them pop T-Max still giving the whole thing. And it's sad how they doing vids and talking they shit like they really do shit. Pick up a gun and go use it. Y'all really gon' make gang lose it. Like all of these bitches be smoochies. And they beef for the whole gang. And it's still fucking opposite. All of them pop T-Max still giving the whole thing. And it's sad how they doing vids and talking they shit like they really do shit. Pick up a gun and go use it. Y'all really gon' make gang lose it. Like if they jack the opposite, get litty. True both each and I thought I just can't need. Like don't run up close, no penny. I'm really gonna show them how we running the city. Big knocks in my RTAs. Cause I cannot go like Benji. And she wanna sip on my Migos like. But just pass it to Whitney. And she wanna get dope out of gunners. Told her link up, I want eat it and stun her. And she know I'm this shit like what? Huh? D-Tank drama. And I'm off the drugs. Told her pull up, I wanna fuck, I don't want no love. And I don't lay up, don't do the hugs like. And if it, I don't care about viewers. Watch out smooches, they might wanna do us. For whoop, we up in the pistols. Knocking my waist out your band, let them bend through. Don't hop out the OJ birthday, cause we gonna get you. I'ma throw stacks, expect you. And that car get flipped too. Don't come with innocence, cause they get hit too, like. And she wanna stay with us all night. But she gotta go if she don't do the bros. I'm on the block with the gray whites. Yeah, big homies right, so yeah, big mice. And she wanna stay with us all night. But she gotta go if she don't do the bros. I'm on the block with the gray whites. Yeah, big homies right, so yeah, big mice. All these bitches be smoothies. And they beat for the whole gang. And they still fuck the option. All of them pop team, man, so give it the whole thing. And they sound hot, they doing vid and choking they shit like they really do shit. I know what's going on. Pick up a gun and go lose it. Y'all really gon' make it easy. Like, all of these bitches be smoochies. And they beat for the whole gang. And they still fuck the option. All of them pop team, man, still giving the whole thing. And they sound hot, they doing vid and choking they shit like they really do shit. Pick up a gun and go use it. Y'all really gon' make it lose it. Like, don't start beating at the make it chicken before we shoot them, y'all. Gang, gang, gang.
Cash. Focus on the money, trap and get hundreds. Let them know that we focus on the money, trap and get hundreds. Let them know that we focus on the money, trap and get cash. Focus on the money, trap and get hundreds, racks all in the stash. I'm addicted to the bag. Focus on the money, trap and get hundreds. Let them know that we focus on the money, trap and get hundreds. Let them know that we focus on the money, trap and get cash. Focus on the money, trap and get hundreds, racks all in the stash. I'm addicted to the bag. Fast with the cash gimmick. Back to the cash in it. Ops on me, strap with me. Clock on me, blast with it. We don't let them pass, so you see us flash. You can hear the drummer when we dump it. Get to moving fast, only want the cash, nigga, nothing personal with nothing. Yeah, we did it first. Bet they no pain when I pull us off spray, call it hearse. Shoot up, get hit first. Better stop playing, bullets fly, no name is a curse. Or make it shot up with you. If that's how you want it, then fuck it, I'm dropping missile. Fuck police, keep blasting. Boom, holla, we smash him and bash his tissue.
Bitch, I feel like Curry with the tray. Broken his pads and shoot up your cabin. 40 gon' bust your window like Jackman. Better not slip his clip, I keep clapping. Action. All about the action. Spin doing niggas relaxing. Don't pay what he owe, I'm a taxer. Spin on you, finish you, giving him damage. Block hot like Atlanta. Face up on the camera, she's a come and blame y'all. Free to get free up fresh, I gotta keep a tech, I just don't understand y'all.
Money coming, they thought I was chucking for the bag. We dumping, they gon' scramble. No, we ain't up for discussion. Jigger about it, watch and get up off your ass, mom. Give a fuck what you do. And my niggas really winning, man. We don't give a fuck what you do. And my niggas really sinning, man. We don't give a fuck what you do. We don't give a fuck what you broke, niggas. We don't give a fuck what you doing, nigga. We don't give a fuck what you do. But I'm like, give me that, take that chain. 40 go blip that, blip that. Who is that? Look at that stain. Billy gon' shoot that, move that. Heard they gon' spin through what? Heard they gon' do this, heard they gon' do that. When I got hit, they drop. When they gon' move that, had to go prove that. We give shots for shots, break through blocks, just look how we got them singing. We give thoughts for thoughts, got few looks, just look how the celly ringing. Don't be a stain for money, you can get changed like money, you gotta know. Don't play the game for money, homie got danger money like CeeLo Road.
Bitch, I'm a trap, flipping the pack. Don't worry, I gotta get it. My niggas strapped, getting them clap. They know that my niggas with it. Cause I get the cash like a pay-o-matic. You don't jack what I jack, I'ma let him have it. Cheffy stay with me, he causes havoc. Ain't no dodging, we treat him like target practice. They know I'm a clap shit, just tell me the facts, I keep it intact, bitch. Fuck what you niggas jacked up, better duck, get it for them racks like. Who the trust, I'll heat them up, smoke them out the pack like. Keep it tucked, but don't try to slide, shooters keep them act like.
Trap and get hundreds. Let them know that we focus on the money, trap and get hundreds. Let them know that we focus on the money, trap and get cash. Focus on the money, trap and get hundreds, racks all in the stash. I'm addicted to the bag, focus on the money, trap and get hundreds. Let them know that we focus on the money, trap and get hundreds. Let them know that we focus on the money, trap and get cash. Focus on the money, trap and get hundreds, racks all in the stash. I'm addicted to the bag. Give a fuck what you do. Really winning, man, we don't give a fuck what you do. Really sinning, man, we don't give a fuck what you do. Really winning, man, we don't give a fuck what you doing, nigga, we don't give a fuck what you.
All I see is scrubs, face me mud, on a couple drugs. Smoke amigo plug, FDP my blood. Greater fucking guy, boy stay in your lane.
Never hide, just make it. Hate this fame, hate this guy. Take these shoes, let's sedate. Oil flowing through my veins. Love remains that make that stain. Y'all look good in cellophane, man. Insane, real place. I said fuck, we got a problem. Fuck you gon' do with.
I think nada, just a persona, and I'm Nirvana. Papa says to make you mad, I know you want some. Rollin', 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 rollin'. Got an ounce of that cold white snow flowin'. River road, shot it, y'all crack, swan, chosen. Slit, told the AK-47, stolen, more than Joseph.
All of y'all are oversaturating, premium bet. Bitches FTP are fucking dead. All y'all look the fucking same. Fuck the fame, fuck a lane. Bitch, I'm about to swerve into the toll booth and scrape the chain. Bring out your dead and blame it on yo. Bitch, I pull up. Okay, now I'm by my right leg till I say okay. K9 on his hind legs, ripping off your face. All I gotta say is G590 to the grave. One color, two numbers, three fingers in the sky amongst the thunder. I'm like, fuck the others, I'ma bring the ruckus, I'm like, fuck your bitch, she swear she suffers under the covers. I'm a hellbound, shorty wanna die. I'm a hellbound, shorty said she might let them bells bound. Shorty wanna cry, I'm like, fuck it every night. Keep turning black, I close my eyes.